Hi everyone, I'm Cindy.
Hi, I'm Eric.
You're watching this video making from KOBIA.
So Cindy, what products we are bringing to our audience today?
Let's have a look.
Okay.
Wow, this is so nice. What's the material of this basin?
Let me tell you, the material of this basin is a 304 stainless steel.
It looks so solid and strong. What's the thickness?
The thickness of the edge, it is 4 millimeter. The bottom, it is 1.2 millimeter.
The color looks so luxury. How does it made?
Oh, this basin, it comes out of the molds. And the surface finish, it is a PVD treatment. So it is not so easy to be scratched. And the corner will not fit. And also, we have other options on corners.
What's the other option?
Like this. This is dark green. And this is bronze. We also have shiny gold and brushed gold. And also, we can customize for other colors if our clients need.
But how many years can we offer for guarantee?
Oh, at least 5 years if the clients use as the maintenance instruction of our company.
It sounds fantastic. How can we ensure the safe delivery?
Oh, we take this to our consideration already. So let's check our package, okay? You could see this is a strong cotton. When we open the cotton, we could see at the top it is a very strong foam board. We can see it solid at the thickness at least 2 millimeters. Pay attention to the four corners. We have the shaped foam board also corner, and the four corners hold the basin firm. So during the delivery, the basin do not move or shake. When we get the good, we can take the basin. You can see it is protected very well. And we could check the bottom. There's another very strong foam board. You could see. Also, at least 2 centimeters thickness. So don't worry about the package. It can guarantee the safety of our basin. Thank you.
Okay everyone, that is all. If you would like to watch more product videos, follow our feeds in YouTube. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.